Hello, everyone. Today is Tuesday, January 19th. We are back in school today, and I would like everyone to know that today we worked on the Biome Project, those that didn't finish, and took time to work on that. Thursday, we're going to be presenting them. They're actually due today, but Thursday in class, we're going to present those. Those of you who are distance learners, make sure that this biome project here is complete and finished. It's your job to have it done. If you have any questions, you need to email me and let me know so that I can help you out. Okay? So this is it right here. So make sure that this is done and you send that in the attachment. This is what we have been doing in class today. This is your job to have done. This was actually supposed to be done last Thursday. Some of you have not sent it in. If you did, great. That's wonderful. Okay. Next, beyond this, there are certain assignments that we had this year that are important in order to receive any kind of grade as far as with the standards. You know that Empower has to do with the standards and how much you know about them. So here is one assignment back on October 30th, right here. This assignment, the Beaver Pond Ecology, okay, this needs to be done if you have not finished it. 22 of you have not touched it, okay? And so if you're not done with this, go back and get it done. Read through the instructions and do just like it says, okay? Read, watch this. It's 52 minutes long. What you're going to do is you are going to watch and pick out everything that was the animals are doing as far as interacting with each other. What animals are helping other animals? Which animals are preying on some animals? How's the abiotic factors affecting these animals, whether it's snowfall, winter, cold, heat, water availability, all these kinds of things. You have to watch for it and think about it and then write them down on a note piece of paper, take a picture and hand it in. If you don't do that, you won't get a grade for that particular standard, which has to do with abiotic and biotic understanding. Then we leave this and we go up here. And as I move up the list, we get to Ecosystem Google Slideshow. Okay. So here we have 25 people have not finished it right here. Okay. What you were supposed to do, the instructions are very simple, and I even have an example for you. I have a recording here talking about what to do, and here I have a whole example of a slideshow. So if you have not finished this, this needs to be in for a grade. It needs to be in for to get a grade on your standard in Empower. Okay? So that is another one. That's November 20th. You can remember November 20th. Go to Google Classroom, go to November 20th. All right, let's go to another one here. How do I get out of here? Here we go. Okay, one more. Okay, another one that needs to be taken care of. Those two. And then we have food web assignment. This one. 14 did not do it. 30 turned it in. Hopefully all the assignments are attached to it. On this one, you were supposed to watch this Ed puzzle and read that, watch that, and it talks about food web. And then it says also research food web. Draw a picture of one on a blank piece of paper of Minnesota biotic living organisms. Do a nice job. Use color and then take a picture of it. So you're going to also draw a food web. Look up food web. Research it. Minnesota food web. You're going to draw a picture of some animals and how one animal it eats this, and then this eats this, and so on, until it circles back around. The food web showing how other animals interact with each other. So this one, if you have not finished it, needs to be in for a particular standard. So make sure you get that one done. And then as we move up, we have this particular one up here, which is the Biome Project, which we are doing right now. So this is the current one, and this goes with a standard. There's 4 standards that go in this one. Okay, this is what you need to work on today. So if you're wondering, what is it? What's the assignment for today? And if you're at home distance learning there, what I just explained, those things need to be done. Okay? So, because we just came back from distance learning for those in the classroom, I'm taking this week fairly slow, and then we're going to start something. Later. So, here is what you need to do. Okay? Sorry about clicking that. That was an advisee of mine. All right. So, take care. Get this done. I am going to check to see that everybody has this completed. Okay? Thank you so much.